Hey everyone! Hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm going to show you how to install DeepSeek AI as an app on Windows so you can access it easily, just like any other program. As you may know, DeepSeek AI is a new tool that has been making waves recently. It's completely free and super useful, so if you want to have quick access to it, stick around till the end of this video. Step 1. Go to the DeepSeek website. First, open your browser and go to the official DeepSeek AI website. I've put the link in the description. Once the page loads, click on Start Now to begin. Step 2. Sign up and log in. At this stage, you'll need to complete some security steps and sign in using either your phone number or email. I recommend using email since it's quicker and easier. Once your account is verified, you'll be redirected to the DeepSeek dashboard. Step 3. Install DeepSeek as an app. Now, let's turn this web page into a Windows app. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of your browser. Select Cast, Save, and Share. Click on Install Page as App. Choose a name for your app, anything you like. Finally, hit Install. And that's it. Now, DeepSeek is installed on your Windows like a regular app, and you can open it anytime with just one click. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.